Hello, and welcome to STEM in Health and Physical Education. My name is Misty Wojciechowski, and I'll be your instructor for this course. The purpose of this course is to help you make connections across all disciplines. We want to meet the needs of all learners, we want to stay current with today's students, and then primarily we're going to think about how can we challenge our students to think creatively as they work to solve real-world problems. One of the big pushes in education right now is to develop 21st century learners, and by examining STEM and physical education, I believe that we have, as physical educators, a real good opportunity to do this. One thing I'm going to ask you to do in this course is to look at either the national or your state and district science, technology, engineering, and math standards. And as you're looking at those standards, examine, think about ways what you're already doing could naturally align with some of these other standards. Here is one example of some advanced technology. This is a 9450 basketball that has a chip in it that syncs with your iPhone or iPad, and if we just look at the data that's being given from just this one particular function in the app, it's given a bar graph, it's given shot accuracy, shot arc, so already we're looking at major math concepts being reinforced. There's dribbling, there's shooting, there's many other available opportunities just in this one application. This is not an expectation for you of this course. I just wanted to provide you with some of the technology that is current that could be, if you're interested in taking this a step further, utilized by you as a physical educator. This technology swing tracker, the device goes on the end of a baseball bat and gives you feedback on your baseball swing. Here is a device that's worn like a pedometer that measures vertical leap. And again, we're thinking about data, how we connect to science, scientific investigation, and just thinking about the ways that our students can use data to improve performance. And lastly, a soccer ball. This is called My Coach, and you can see by the different screenshots the available technology for this. So what will be your role? I want you to increase your STEM education knowledge. I want you, by the end of this course, to feel like you could advocate for cross-curricular learning. You will be analyzing STEM standards, putting them into practice, and to develop an understanding of how health and PE naturally aligns with STEM concepts. So please email me along this journey if you have any questions or need more specific feedback on your different assignments. I'm looking forward to working with you, and I hope that you'll find this content and this course enjoyable.